Hi everyone, welcome to the Preschool Art Experts art project for 2-year-olds. Today we're going to be making a simple project, a ladybug. The supplies you'll need are a black half circle for the ladybug's head, a larger red circle or oval shape for the ladybug's body, a black Sharpie to draw the ladybug spots, and a glue stick to glue everything together, and your background page. The first thing you're going to do is take your black half circle and your glue stick and put some glue on the back of the half circle because this is the ladybug's head. Now, you can give your glue stick to your 2-year-old and they can learn how to apply the glue to the ladybug's head. The next thing you're going to do is take your red circle for the ladybug's body and your black Sharpie, and you're going to draw on black spots all over the ladybug. Now is a good time to introduce the colors black and red to your 2-year-old if they don't already know these colors. Now we'll put our circles or spots on the ladybug's body. Now your 2-year-old may have their own idea of what a spot should look like. So, whatever kind of design they make on their ladybug's body is beautiful. This is also a great activity for fine motor skills. Once you have your spots on your ladybug's back, if you like, you can take a pair of scissors and cut some ladybug's wings. So you'll cut from the bottom up about 3/4 of the way and then stop. Next, you'll take your glue stick and you'll put the glue just on the back, just above where you trimmed the ladybug's wings. And again, your 2-year-old can apply glue to the ladybug's body. We're going to put the body just barely overlapping the ladybug's head. Now, if you like, you can bend these ladybug's wings back and the ladybug will look like she's ready to take off in flight. An accompanying activity that I like to pair with this project is to go outside and look for ladybugs. If you can't find ladybugs outside, you can watch a video about ladybugs. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you back soon.